today's topic is self-reliant India or Atmanirbhar Bharat. First of all, we all should know what is self-reliant India. The main aim of self-reliant in India is to make prosper country in prosper country India. The initiative which is launched 12 May 2020 by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and we can see that the main aim of self-reliant India to grow the condition of farmers, because India is a agriculture country. We can see that there are many kinds of farmers whose conditions are not good, and after implement of this initiative, our government will give loan to our farmers, and they can also improve their condition by use their loan in field like matsya palan, murgi palan, and many and
I'm really appreciating this act of our government, because it is a very good for our future of our India. As we know that in this time we are seeing that our government is 20 lakh crore rupees to all sectors and invest the money to all sectors. And I think especially for the Matsya Palans and which sectors where the future can improve the condition. And as we know that by this kind of act, our India will become a job creator, not be the job seeker.
Our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi launched a new scheme known as the Self-Reliant India or Atmanirbhar Bharat with the stimulus package of 20 lakh rupees. In this scheme, he especially noticed the laborers and workers because in pandemic days the condition of workers are not good. So in this campaign, he provide the benefits of that, and it is also very beneficial for the economy of India, because we are nowadays we are exporting too much things from the foreign. But when this the motto of this company is that we are producing a lot of things which are we are exporting from the others, and when we produce that things in our country, then it will be also provide unemployment and it will increase our economy.
In the campaign, our government is that to give person a responsibility for their duties, and they are not depend upon other or any government job. This is main purpose, and the second reason is that our the whole work going on epidemic, and all the companies and the government office remains closed. And this is main reason that our government started self-reliant mission, which is promotes that every person complete their work from home and also earn money, which is good for him, and not depend upon any other.
And we know that due to Corona very good things that launched by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which is very good scheme to development our country, and for the developing people which are not getting employed in the pandemic situation. This is very good for our country and for the developing of our country.
The main objective of the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign was that to invest in the infrastructure of the Indian, and also provide jobs to many workers and fishermen. So Indian government tried to get a relief of 20 lakh crore rupees, and which will provided in the infrastructure of the Indian.
And we know that during pandemic, there are all office, college, schools, and factories all closed. Due to this problem, all employed or became unemployed and lost their job. To see this type of crisis, our government take an initiative called Atmanirbhar Bharat, which was launched in May 2020. Its main purpose to make people self-dependent. In this way, the problem of unemployment can solve.
And we know that due to Corona period, our economy is going to be shrinking nowadays day by day. So our government launched a scheme called Self-Reliant India. By this scheme, 20 lakh crore package, stimulus package to stimulate the private sector companies for the employment, and also they can compete with the global chain supply. Yeah, friend, I agree with you. As we have seen that our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said on 15 August 2020, vocal for local, and it will boost up India, our economy. And we can see that they said that made for India and made in India, and the main aim of is to make for India and give more value on the comparison of foreign things.
And as we all know that India is the biggest market of all over world, and we create products and sell products. We have developed our condition, and if we create products and sell on other countries, it is very good for economic growth of our country.
Previous campaign, government plan, I want to add one more line that our Prime Minister recently launched many campaign in the serial of campaign, the Digital India, Atmanirbhar Bharat, many than more. Digital India was one of them. In Corona pandemic, there was a lot of students who do their study by Digital India and if I talk about it, it's through this campaign, government will invest a lot of money in different sectors so that it will boost our infrastructure and also very beneficial for the economy, because nowadays people are too much suffering from the pandemic and there is unemployment in everywhere. So when our government invest a lot of money in different sectors as industrialization, then it will be very good for the employment.
We cannot deny other tendency of all the student. After the 12th, student only want that government will give the jobs and we will join the government job. But if the student after 12 find that the infrastructure and the private companies is investing more money, I think the student will go through and will not depend the government job. They will create the job for the any employment, and they will also give the employment to all people who is unemployment.
I am with my friend because nowadays when any students can pass the 12th standards, then he only run for the government job. Yes, and we only want to job. We didn't want to become a job giver. When we change our mentality and become that key. And the other reason that we are a great importers, we are depend upon other countries, and which is increase the other countries economic, and the intention of the government is that we should make in our country, and which is totally make in India and promote our country economy.
By this scheme, our government are decreasing the unemployment. Our government take this action and to improve the economic condition and increase the GDP of our country also taken by our government. This is very good.
But I think
we should also be job seekers, not a job create. We should also job creators, not a job seekers.
My friends are also saying that we are depend on other countries, like we were in past time we were totally depend on China for their goods and services, but now after the Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign, we will make our products and goods, and it will help to grow India.
Yes, this what is the main motto of this campaign, that we should be self-reliant, and the main motto of this campaign that
And a friend, at last I want to say that in this time our India is growing too much, and as you know that our India is growing for a digital India. And by this campaign, I think India will be the good, and in the future India will be the developed country. We will not be dependent from any countries where the anything is exporting from any country. I think when the Make in India will be success in a time, in India will be the depend and self-dependent on.
Many economists are also saying that it's the second form of Make in India. It's the second form of Make in India. That government should not mislead people. For this new scheme, government also add in Make in India project, as most Make in India project is going very high, because recently we have seen that many infrastructure like hypersonic wind tunnel make under this scheme.
I think this campaign will promote the people skillful. By this way, people can make infrastructure and do work in their own country. In this way, people became employed, and make many things to reduce the problem of
Yeah, right.
Government want to
Government
want to promote
in India,
the local.
India has no skilled labor. After implement of this Atmanirbhar Bharat, India will have own self self skilled labor, and it will boost our economy, and it will also decrease unemployment.
Our government want to promote local products as a global standards, and it is a very same as Make in India. It is a sir.
The main aim of self-reliant India is also that we, the government hospital and modern hospitals should be modernized, and they can take after their citizens.
Okay, let me get conclusion now from the
At last, self-reliant India mission is a good initiative taken by our government, and it is good for our country and the country's people, because we are able to make everything in our country which is good our atmosphere and our economic sector.
At conclusion, I would say that it's a great initiative taken by our government, but government should also reach the street vendors which are suffering very much due to coronavirus.
At last, I would like to conclude the step Atmanirbhar Bharat, which was taken by our Honorable Prime Minister, was a very good initiative. I really appreciate it, and I would like also say that it will also decrease the unemployment in India, and it will also boycott the Chinese products and many other cheaper and bad products.
At last, I want to say that it is a very good initiative which is taken by our government, and it is very beneficial for the economy and for the infrastructure of our country, because it reduces the unemployment, and excited the people toward the local products, because India is considered the largest market for any goods.
At last, friend, I am really appreciating this decision of our government, and I am really saying that if the countrymen will become a job creator, and by this campaign, I think our countrymen finding a best option to make our self dependent on himself. I think this is a very good decision for our government.
At last, I want to say that Atmanirbhar Bharat is very good for youth who does not find job easily. They start their business and they provide job of all. So it is very good, and if we create goods and projects and sell other countries, so it is very good for economic growth of our country.
At last, I want to conclude that the campaign Atmanirbhar Bharat is a good initiative, and it will provide employment to the to people, and also, and after this, India will grow in economically and financially.
At last, I would like to conclude by saying that this is a good step taken by our government, and by this step, our people can get employed, and the economic condition of our country will be increased day by day, and in future, our country will also grow, and the depending on other country will decrease. That.
I want to say that it is a good scheme which is launched by our government. It will promote Skill India and help the boost and economy of our country and solve the problem of unemployment.
At last, I would like to conclude by saying that the campaign taken by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is very good. Our government should negotiate with people, and the cooperation between its people and government should be very good.